Hey everyone, this is Dade here with MarineMax Grand Lake, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick walkthrough of this used 2019 Crest 220. Alright, so starting off, this Crest does have 231 hours on it. It's powered by a Mercury 150. It does come with a ski tow bar and a swim ladder. You've got seating up here, storage underneath both sides, and then over there is where your batteries are going to be located. Got your captain's chair over here, all of your gauges and functions up there. Got cup holders over there. And then finally, you do have a center storage here, and then some more seating with storage underneath. So if you like this used Crest or anything else you see in our online inventory, feel free to stop by Grand Lake MarineMax or give us a call today. Thanks.